TCL 40S325 180p Smart TV. With a lineup of award-winning televisions, audio products, mobile devices, and appliances, TCL delivers meaningful experience through thoughtful design and the latest technology, helping you to enjoy more of the things you love. If you're shopping on a budget, don't worry. TCL's 40S325 features a Full HD 180p display with a backlight LED panel. The picture itself may not blow higher-priced model out of the water, but the Full HD resolution display still provides a crisp and enjoyable watching experience. For connecting off any of the Roku's online experiences, the TV also features built-in Wi-Fi. The 3 Series TCL Roku TV delivers all your favorite content with over 50,000 movies and TV episodes accessible through a simple, intuitive interface in a sleek, modern design. If you need to plug in any of your favorite, the television features 3 HDMI ports, 1 composite AV input, a digital optical audio output, a 3.5mm audio out jack, and RF input. A more humble offering than the other options on this list, we recommend the 40S325 if you need an upgrade and need one now. Otherwise, we do not suggest looking at some of our 4K recommendation for the TV that offers a bit more longevity. So don't wait up and get this deal with a reasonable price. And to know more details about this product, please visit the link on the description given below.